Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this eyeshadow. Let me get close so you guys can see. I'm not sure how I'm gonna call it because I was going for a yellow eyeshadow, but then I ended up applying glitter and then it turned into like a sunset glittery eyeshadow, so I'm not sure how to name it. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this eyeshadow, then just stay tuned and let's just get started. All right, so we are going to start off by priming our eyelids, and I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to prime my eyelids. This is the way I do my eyeshadow, and I'm not going to set it because I feel like honestly the colors apply way better when you don't set the concealer or the primer. We are going to be using two eyeshadow palettes. We're going to be using the James Charles palette because I want to do an eyeshadow using this yellow shade. And then we are going to be using this palette from Pure. It is a festival. I haven't really played with it, so you know, I really want to like play with this gold shimmery color here. All right, so I'm gonna be going in with my Morphe M573, and I'm gonna be going in with this eyeshadow right here. It reminds me of butter. I'm just gonna start blending that eyeshadow all over the crease and blend it going towards your eyebrows. This is gonna be our transition colors. I don't think you guys can see, but you know, it doesn't matter. Unless you have a transition color that's gonna help you get like a diffused look is what matters. All right, so now we're gonna go in with the brown, and I really want to use, I'm gonna go in with this one right here. If you guys have this palette, go ahead and follow along. We're gonna start blending that color in only on our crease. And you guys are going to see that the first color is going to help this color blend in. Like, it's not going to be too intense. Like that. So, this is what you guys should have. It should be really blended. And if it's not, girl, keep blending. Let's go in with this dark brown right here on the side. This one right here next to the black. We are going to start intensifying our crease. So let me just get close to the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. We're going to start from the bottom right here. And we're going to start bringing it up and doing a V. And then just start blending in that dark brown right there. And I did cut my hair and I bleached it, so this is what I have. JK. I'm wearing a wig, guys. Alright guys, so this is so far what I have. I'm gonna go in with a flat brush and I'm just gonna cut my crease. So yeah, just stay tuned. Okay, so this is what you should have. So with the fluffy brush, I'm just gonna apply the yellow on the section where we cut the crease. Now that we have this yellow on there, we are going to be applying glitter on that section. So going in with my eyelash glue, I'm just going to apply a little bit on the eyelid so I can put some glitter. And we're just going to apply the glitter in the beginning of the yellow section. I'm going to go in with this palette. This is a Pure palette. It has all these colors. So we're going to be actually going with this one right here. I'm just going to start applying this. And the only reason why I did put glue is because I tried applying this glitter before and I didn't apply glue and my glitter went everywhere. I'm going to go in with a makeup remover towelette and just clean the glitter that I have in my hands, because I don't want to get that glitter everywhere, because it's messy, girl. It's hella messy when you like get glitter everywhere. And going in with this color right here, we're gonna start blending that in with the yellow, just so we don't have any harsh lines right there. With the yellow, I am gonna try and go again and try and apply this yellow right here, like that. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my under eye. We're basically done. This is the look after we cleaned it out. So yeah, I'm gonna come back once I have the final look with the lashes, and we'll just do the last step on the eyes. So yeah guys, I'll be back in a bit. Okay, so this is basically the final look. Okay, so I'm just gonna add yellow in the bottom of my eye, and I'm just gonna add some highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes, if I can find my inner corner brush. Now I'm gonna go in with that blush that's in here. I think it's this light blush, like that. And I still can't find my inner corner brush. What the fuck? So I'm actually gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Trophy highlighter, just because it's very, very yellow and glittery and like just gold. And that's literally the eyeshadow that I went for. Hey guys, so yeah, I finished my whole entire face, and this is the eye makeup. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on your bell notifications if you guys haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. You know, I'm not gonna see you guys with this wig on, because you know it's a fucking process having a wig. Like, I don't know how people can do it. I just wanted to, like, you know, wear this wig just because I haven't played with this wig in a long time. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe guys. Mwah.